Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. After completed a field audit, a revenue agent proposes an adjustment that the taxpayer disagree with. We have a disagreement between the revenue agent and the taxpayer after a field audit. The taxpayer wants to challenge the adjustment, but they're not interested in going to court yet. Which of the following actions would allow the taxpayer to pursue an administrative resolution before litigation, before going to court? Now, if you're taking this question on farhatlectures.com, you could ask the AI to explain the topic about what's a field audit, and they will explain what a field audit is and how does it work if you're interested in that. But here we're going to try to answer the questions before explaining the topic. Is it file a petition with the U.S. tax court within 90 days? Again, if you look at this is an easy elimination. We're talking about before litigation. The court is a form of litigation. We could easily eliminate A. B, request an administrative appeal within 30 days of the revenue agent determination. This looks like a reasonable answer because we're looking at administrative appeal. We don't want to go to the court. I'm going to keep B. It looks good, but let's look at C. Pay the proposed deficiency and file suit in the U.S. District Court. Again, we're keeping the court out here, so C is out. Sign Form 870 to preserve appeal rights. No. 870 is once you agree and you want to close the case, we both agree. Remember here, there is no agreement. If we agreed, we might sign Form 870 to waive restriction on assessment and generally ends the dispute, but that's not what we are doing here. D is out. As I predicted, B is the correct answer choice. Now on Farhat Lectures, you could ask the AI to explain the correct and incorrect answer, expand on that in a different way, or you could ask the AI to create a similar MCQ to reinforce this knowledge. What should you do now? Go to Farhat Lectures, look at more resources, lectures, podcast lessons, notes, video MCQs, video AI CPA simulation, whether you are a student, a CPA exam candidate, or an enrolled agent. Invest in yourself. That's the best investment you can make. Good luck and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.